2017 Nissan Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning front, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, rear spoiler. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.